Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it is extremely exciting because this day has been long awaited since I began the channel back in 2014. I have something to show you. This arrived in the post. The 1 million plaque! I cannot believe we are finally at this point with the channel. It is a big, big milestone and I can't believe we're here. So I wanted to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you to you guys and to talk about the channel and where we've got to, how we've got to here. It has been a long 7 years and an amazing road along the way. I started this YouTube channel back in 2014. I started this channel as part of Jamie Oliver's FoodTube network, which was kind of a network of food creators on YouTube. So from Jamie's FoodTube and that brilliant community, I decided to start this YouTube channel. And from here, I got in touch with two of my friends, Mark and Robin, who are fantastic video producers. And we kind of started to play around with creating recipe videos for the internet. We had very little idea of what we were doing. It all kind of unfolded and we were excited about this new platform. And from there, it's been the journey to 1 million. And subsequently, we have started our own TV production company together called Appetite Media. Together, we've made TV shows that have been shown around the world. We make TV shows for other people and we make competition style shows. So it's been an amazing journey from what kind of began as a nugget of making YouTube videos into something that is a fully fledged TV production company. So that has been an amazing journey along the way. It has been an absolutely crazy ride since then. So I want to take you on some of the milestone moments that has got us from 2014 all the way up to 2021 and to the 1 million subscribers. We've just passed 40,000 subscribers! Yay! Big news, we have hit 100,000 subscribers right here on my YouTube channel. 250,000 subscribers. I cannot quite believe it. I have got some big news because, ladies and gentlemen, I got married. We have hit 300,000 subscribers. It is a big day of celebration here, but it is also a sad day because today I am moving out of my kitchen and my house. We're moving to Los Angeles for I don't know how long. Now is the hardest part because we have to say goodbye to Max. Today it is VidCon. I guess it's how I started out, man. Compared to these guys, I'm only just starting out. I'm only at this a year, so. I've just arrived outside Rockefeller Center. It is the evening before the big appearance on NBC's Today Show, and I am so excited. Today is a very special day because we are going to pick up Max. Hello, Max, you're in LA. You're in LA. Steve's digging in there. Did you like it, Steve? It's good. The big news is that we're pregnant. So Noah arrived and Max's reaction to him was extremely cute.
Say hello, Max. Say hello.
It has been 1 year since Noah was born. We have had a child. We have been parents for 1 entire year. Happy birthday to you. Slightly distracted.
Are you doing okay?
You working on something there? We have moved from Los Angeles. We're in Ireland now. We moved back home. Hey, you ready to go, Noah? Let's go to Dublin! Now, while I've been running the channel, I've also been making television shows all through these years, and I've had such great opportunities to travel the world. And while I've had those opportunities, I've brought you guys along for the ride. So we've had vlogs from Vietnam to Thailand. So I want to say a huge thank you guys for coming along on the ride. Let's have a look at some of the best bits. We're out on the streets of Hanoi, and we're hungry. Just met all these Grandma's Boy fans. Hello! Good morning, it is day 3 in Budapest. Amsterdam, baby! It wouldn't be a day out with Bart unless he was asking me to pull my arse up. Right, let's go! Okay, here we go. What's next? Don't really know the lyrics, but we are dancing at Lake Malawi and this is just incredible. This is Thailand!
Wow.
One of my favorite things about making YouTube videos or even having a YouTube channel is the collaborations and the brilliant community that you are part of. It was one of the main reasons we moved to the States back in 2015, because we knew there were so many people around us who were doing the same thing. There is so many people to thank and there's been so many collaborations. So here are some of my favorites. I'm joined by the one and only Mr. Food Busker himself, John Quilter, Mr. Gennaro Contaldo, Alex from French Guy Cooking. We're making a sandwich. We're making a happy pear sandwich. I'm teaming up with Emmy from Emmy Made in Japan.
Hi Donal, it's Emmy. I'm super excited to be participating in your St. Patrick's Day challenge.
Hey, what's up, Donal? Thank you so much for having me be a part of this huge St. Patty's Day collaboration.
I'm joined by the brilliant domestic geek, Miss Sarah. So thank you for coming and being on my channel. But Brandy Malloy from Pop Sugar Food, thank you for coming along.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hi guys.
Bugger Brothers. Hello. Miss Melanie Murphy.
Rosanna Pansino. Hello everybody.
The brilliant Roz Purcell, model, author, all-round amazing person, basically.
That was probably the best intro I've ever had.
Yes!
I feel like I need to bring you everywhere with me.
But I'm in Gemma Stafford's from Bigger Bolder Baking. My favourite person in the world, Tia Mori! The Bosch guys! Yay! Welcome along to the Sorted Food Kitchen. This is very exciting. It's my mom!
Hello everyone.
One of the most requested collaborations I have ever had is for one with my dog, Max. So here he is! Hello, Max! Wow, Max, that was some good stirring action. Now, while I've done video blogs and travel videos and all sorts of different videos in between, the one thing you guys come back for week in, week out is the food videos. You guys definitely have a serious interest in food, so here are some of my favorite recipes brought back to life. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. I feel like I should cry a tear. They're so good. Of course, along the way, it has most definitely not been plain sailing. I feel like I've made more mistakes making YouTube videos than any other thing I do. But I love that, and we have shared many of the bloopers over the years, from eggs cracking on the counter, from mixers not working, to burnt things coming out of the oven. It's definitely not been plain sailing, but here are some of the best bits, some of the best bloopers for your viewing pleasure. But before I do serve it up, I want to... Oh, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. You could use is some pearl sugar, because it's a lovely finish. Ah, feck off. Go ahead. They kind of look quite interesting. You wouldn't want to look at them too long, otherwise you might come up with a description for them that would not be appropriate for the internet. But here we are. It's the YouTube man.
First we go into your downward dog, yeah, and then we get a bit of a leg action.
Really nice chunky pieces of lamb here. Ah! The real big question is, how many balls can you fit in your mouth? I don't know. To create tasty, time-saving dinners that will give you herpes. Oh, for move. Jesus! But it is part and bloopers, and here we are. So there you have it, an amazing 7 years that has brought us to this point, 1 million subscribers, and I cannot sign off before I thank the amazing team of people who have worked with me over the years to create the videos, to help manage the channel, to bring it to life. Between editors, camera people, my brilliant assistants who've all helped me along the way, it is definitely a team effort, and you know, every time you see a video, there's been a few people who have been involved. It's not just me behind the camera. But without a doubt, I would not be here creating these recipe videos if it wasn't for the passionate community of over 1 million subscribers. And I have to say a massive thank you for everyone who turns up almost every single video, commenting, liking, really interacting with the recipe videos. It is the driving force as to what I create on this channel, the recipes that I've made over the years. It's been an absolutely amazing journey, and you guys have been right there with us. From myself and Sophie to having kids, to moving to the States, moving back home to Ireland, we have had you every single step of the way, and I just want to say a massive thank you. If you're watching this, if you've been there from the start, if you're a new subscriber, we are so happy to have you here, and I just want to say a massive, massive thank you. 1 million! Woo-hoo-hoo!